Well, just got in the shipment from Cowabunga I've been waiting for. So I thought I would do a little unboxing just for my own benefit. I have seen this book already reviewed, and yet it's just one book. Ooh, this thing is heavy. Let's move this out of the way. Yeah. So, this is the beast. Get my box cutter. This is the Eternals by Jack Kirby monster size. Look at this. My gosh. Look at that. Oh, it's glorious. Yeah. Massive. Massive. So, nice that it's been bagged. I don't know where you get a bag this size. But everything looks good on it. Maybe got a little bit of a ding in the corner there, but I don't care. This isn't for resale, this is for enjoyment. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh man. Let's see here. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, this is King Kirby deserves this size. Oh my gosh, and I thought omnibuses were big. Let me get an omnibus just to show you the difference. This is an omnibus. If you thought they were unwieldy, I don't know what I'm gonna do to sit this on my lap, but this is impressive. This is impressive. Man. Oh, it's a good heavy stock, a good matte finish. This collects Kirby's entire run of Eternals from the 70s. I had one or two of these in my collection, and I eventually, when I was young, when they first came out, and then eventually, when I got older, I went and collected the entire run in floppies, not really concerning myself with whether or not they were in mint condition or not. But now, I mean, I've got it in mint. I can read it anytime I like. This says that it collects 1 through 11 and annual 1, but that's apparently a misprint because it does include those issues, but it also includes, I think, 1 through 19. So that would be 20 issues. Let's see what this last page is. Yeah, so that's number 19. And, oh God, I'll tell you what kind of, my gosh, this is unwieldy. Not a lot of gutter space. I can see it's sewn together. Move this out of the way. Okay, apparently it does not contain the annual or maybe that's what number 19 is. I can't really remember. This was coming out monthly in 76 and 77. And these are all monthly. But that number 19, the last issue, no, they're all monthly. So I'm pretty sure there was an annual. I don't know if I'm maybe remembering wrong. That could be the case. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure there's an annual. Not sure what my confusion's about. But yeah, it contains effectively the full Kirby run. If there is an annual and it doesn't collect it, then I guess it is short one issue of the Kirby run. Oh, it's got some nice back matter here. It's got some letters. I know the Omnibus collection has all the letters pages. This one only has some specific pages. Oh, that's nice, Alex Ross. Has some pages here, but it's because there's some editorial from Jack Kirby about, I presume, the final issue, because that's from number 18. So yeah, I'm excited to just consume this, soak it all in, and I've never seen Jack Kirby art this close up. It almost makes me feel like a little kid with a comic book, it being oversized. You know, it's like that feeling when you go to an elementary school and the desks are so small that you forgot they were that size now that you're an adult. But anyhow, I thought I would share that with you guys. The new, just came out this month, Jack Kirby Eternals monster size hardcover. Thank you, Eric from Cowabunga Comics.